We've got here a 1.3 Ecotec engine from a 2012. This particular engine's in a Chevy Veo. Had a misfiring on the engine on cylinder 4. A bit strange really for a car this age. Anyway, had a look around, see a bit of water around the corner of the casing. Pulling the cover off. And a nice puddle of water in the bottom corner, which is filling up the plugs down in, well, mainly number 1, starting to go into cylinder 3 as well. Once I've had a look around, found the culprit, which is this washer jet leaking. And it's not leaking from the pipe itself, it's leaking more from the actual plastic jet itself through the bonnet. This is just leaking through the bonnet, quite poorly placed, and directly dropping on top of that casing. So now I'm going to just remove the coil, dry the surround of the plug out, dry this puddle up, put the cover back on, and then we'll place something over the washer jet for now, the bottom of it, maybe some tape or something around this area. Duct tape or something will do the trick. Obviously leave a hole for it to drip from somewhere else, probably further in front of the bonnet. So, you know, if it drops on top of the exhaust, it's not so much a problem. And then get into the dealer and get them to investigate. I mean, it's obviously a common issue, I'd imagine. Thanks a lot, guys. So nothing pretty, but I've just put some sticky back film that we used. Just over the actual whole area of the washer jet. Cut a hole in the front part of the bonnet section. So in theory, if it does start to get heavy rain and start to drip through there, it will more likely drip down on top of the exhaust manifold. Obviously, you know, I mean, you can always put mastic around the bottom of it. That'd be a better solution at the other time, but to get you out of trouble, get you to the garage. That's the best solution. Cheers guys.